Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Yancy here. So I want you guys to come with me today as we go pick up a cattle panel that I will be using for my grapes. The last time I got a cattle panel, my husband and I rented a Home Depot truck, and it was easy to transport, but I also used that truck to get some soil that I bought by the cubic yards. I've got about like 5 cubic yards of soil, and so I just thought it was good to get that cattle panel at the same time. But this time around I decided that I want to put my grapes on that same cattle panel as a trellis, and I don't need to get we don't need to rent a truck because that's the only thing we're getting. So we're about to go attempt to put this cattle panel on our SUV. So come along with us and let's see how we're about to make this happen. This is about to be real interesting because the cattle panel is humongous. Every time I see people create their own art, they always talk about, how difficult it is to bring the cattle panel home, especially if you don't have a pickup truck. So come with us as we do it.
One look and I breathe.
Go.
Mommy.
Yes, excuse me.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're not going shopping. We can't go.
That's 4 and 4. That's 8. Sugar and 1.
Like a 16-foot?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Somewhere.
Daddy and the guy is see me? MarthaLorine Signature Luxurious Body Butter is packed with all natural skin-loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new best